about the earthquake. Earthquakes are terrible. The most deadliest and the most famous earthquake is the Shanxi earthquake in 1556. This earthquake caused a huge damage. When it happened, at that time, hundreds of buildings were broken and everywhere were debris. Thousands of people were buried alive in those rumble, and it caused damage up to thousands of millions of dollars. I think everyone should be careful to this earthquake because it's very dangerous and is the most dangerous of the three natural disasters